What's up, good people? Power Washing Pro GA here. This is just a video of a roof cleaning we've done over the last couple weeks. This job actually stemmed from a call from an insurance company that we, collab with in order to get their customers' roofs taken care of. Insurance companies are cracking down on moldy roofs. Of course, this stems from, background information on why we need to get them cleaned for them, because the mold and mildew actually breaks down the asphalt shingles and causes premature wear, which will result in leaks and roof replacements over a period of time. So they're encouraging the homeowners to get their roofs clean, let alone, maintaining the value of their properties to keep insurance rates low, and to keep them from, having to file claims and things like that. So, it's our recommendation here at Affordable Painting and Power Washing, along with myself, Power Washing Pro GA, for you to be proactive in getting your properties and such taken care of. Until next time, wash on, pros.